YouTube channel. I know I am in a different setting. Let me explain a little bit about it before I get into the actual video. And so today, hopefully all my videos are gonna start, like, they're going to start being in this room, which is, I don't know if you can hear the echo, because it's just, I've just done this side of the room so far, and it's pretty much like an office space. And so I need to put like the desk in here, some like little decorations, and as soon as it's done, I will do an office tour. I'm excited how this room is coming along very great. I don't know, I'm just really excited and I couldn't wait to share the news with you guys. As you can see, you know, I'm still decorating a little. I think you can see this side is like my hat still, my caps. Anyway, let's get right into the video about Ipsy unboxing. Well, more like a bag, which is this. I was gonna show the other side, but it has my address on it. Anyways, I have not opened it. It's fully closed. Look, as you can see. A little ASMR. So I'm gonna be opening this bag and seeing what products I got. I used to have Ipsy way back, like probably when I was like 18, 19. And now I'm 23, so it's like a huge gap in between. And I didn't really use makeup. So when I got the Ipsy bag, I was just like, I can't really use this. I don't really do makeup. I don't really know much about it, you know. So it was like in iffy kind of situation. And now that I've started doing makeup, well, using makeup and like using like face cleansers and all that stuff, I was like, why not do an Ipsy unboxing or unwrapping? Let's open this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, no way. I actually got a brush. Wow. Let me see. Ooh, that's fluffy and soft. Wow. It is the FIRMA 102 brush. Looks like this. It even has the like number right there. It's 102. That is so cool. Wow. So the brush comes outside. I've never received a brush from Ipsy before, so this is going to be really interesting in using, in my opinion. So we'll see how it goes. It looks like a blush brush kind of, so that's a good one. I'm liking it so far, even though it's the first one. And this is how the Ipsy bag looks. Oh, there we go. It has 3 different shades of yellow. That's so cute. Wow, that is really cute. Okay, so let's open it. So the first thing I took out of the bag is a lip treatment, which is HANALEI. The brand name is HANALEI. Lip treatment, mauve pink. Mauve. I don't know, guys, sorry. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, that looks cute. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to try it on already. I remember once I received a lip tint from like Ipsy, and it was the Birchbox. I think it was Birchbox. Never mind, guys. It like burned my lips. But I'm excited to try this one. All right, next product. Try not to look. Ooh, I think it's perfume. I got this, the POREfessional Pore Primer. Oh, it's a primer. Smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. Ooh, it's from Benefit. What? I don't think I've ever tried anything from Benefit Cosmetics, so this is going to be really interesting. I've heard really great things about it, and so I'm so excited to try this out. Let me open it so you guys can see how big it is. So I think that's a pretty good sizing, you know. Just letting you guys know, all this is for $10, and I think they're doing right now you sign up a subscription for that. You sign up for 3 months, and then you get like a 4th Birchbox. So it's like you get an extra one for 1 month. I kind of want to do it, but I don't know yet. I'm pretty sure I will end up doing it anyway. But yeah, that's so cute. Just want to let you guys know. I know if you sign up, you get emails, you know, for exclusive offers and stuff like that. Because I know it did say that I had a coupon code for it. So I'm not sure if everyone's getting it or it's just certain individuals, you know? Okay, but other than that, it says that 93% said it helped makeup stay put. 91% said it minimized pore appearance. It targets pores, targets fine lines, targets makeup meltdown. POREfessional accomplished. Wow. You know what? I think my pores are not bad, or bad at all, but it doesn't hurt to try, right? I'm excited to use this one. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I've never really used primer, so that's going to be really exciting for me. You never know, I might get like into it and actually use primers from now on, thanks to Ipsy. Next, there's I think 2 items left. Okay, I'm gonna use a bigger one. Oh my gosh, no way. Sorry, it's because I'm not sure what it is yet, but it looks cool. Let me take it out. I think it's this eyeshadow. And you guys know how I love my eyeshadow. Let me see, it's the PACIFICA Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. OMG, that is amazing. These are the colors. There's like they're like all neutral colors. Here, I'll show you guys. Ooh, these are all the colors that they have in there. Let me open it and swatch it for you guys. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I feel like Ipsy has gotten better. Fair size too. It's not too small, not too big. She said. Man, why is this tape so hard to take off? Okay. Ooh, that's cute. Okay. Really? Do they really have to tape everything? I mean, it's a good thing they do, but I'm trying to like get to my package here. Oh, it comes with its own little brush. We all know, well, I don't ever use this little brush that's in there unless I'm like on the go, like let's say I'm in the car and I need to do my makeup real quick, then I'll use that brush. Other than that, I will not use that brush. Is anybody else out there like that? Maybe it's just me, right? Anyways, I'm gonna swatch this one, which I believe is Tomboy. So I'll choose my fingers. I don't even know why I'm using this. Okay, so Tomboy, okay, this one. Ooh, that's a nice color. What? That's a nice neutral color. And then the next one would be, I think it's called 1970 Pretty? No, it's called 1970. All right. Ooh, that one feels like looks a little bit more pigmented. What? Sorry guys if I'm not swatching it right. It looks nice. So I feel like my light is too bright, but I mean, these are neutral colors, so they are not supposed to be bold on your face, like popping out there like that. Okay, the next one is Pretty Bacon, which is like this peachy coral color. Ooh. Whoa, that one had, that was my bad. That one, ooh. That one's a nice color. Next one is Schooled, which is this one right here. Ooh, this one. Try my thumb. Okay, which let me put on there. Sorry guys, I need to look at it. Ooh, not bad. Wow, that's not bad at all. I could use for like the outer corner. Last one is Rebel. That one's like a little reddish. Ooh, I'll use my pinky for that one. Ooh. It's a little darker than the Pretty Bacon one, the peachy coral one. But ooh, I like these. Wow. I can't wait to use this palette. All right, the last item is Hey Honey, Come Clean, Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. What? For all skin types. It has vitamin C, propolis, and an enriched exfoliant. What? This is exciting. Sorry guys, I'm like reading the back. This is a facial scrub. Wow, and I like the way that the logo looks and everything. Can we just discuss how cute this is? I'm just like, I don't really like yellow. Yellow is one of my least favorite colors along with pink. But this yellow, the shades, loving it. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. There's some really good products that came in this Ipsy bag. I can't wait to use those products. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I know, like, I recently checked, and most of my viewers aren't even subscribed yet. They like watch my videos but aren't subscribed. And so it's so easy. You're gonna be on my channel, you're gonna be watching my video, might as well subscribe, get notified that I upload new videos. And yeah, this is gonna be the first week that I do 2 videos a week. So this is gonna be the Tuesday one, and stay tuned for the Thursday one. Definitely going to start doing 2 videos a week, so watch out for that. I'm so excited. I can't wait.